Welcome back to the Modern Retail Experience, the series that delves into the latest trends, market changes, and technological advancements that are shaping the world of retail. In this episode, we'll explore the game-changing impact that cloud technologies have on the retail industry. By harnessing these scalable solutions, retailers can drive customer-centric strategies, optimize operations, and ensure success in today's competitive landscape. So join us as we explore all that the modern retail experience has to offer and discover how retailers are using technology to stay ahead of the curve.
The retail industry, as we all know, is ripe with disruption, whether it be new consumer behaviors and expectations, changing market conditions, or even the emergence of new competitors. All of these forces impact not just the dynamics of the industry as a whole, they impact the dynamics of individual organizations.
What we're seeing is, especially in the last decade, is that retail industry is benefiting in much the same way virtually everybody else who's moved to the cloud has. So what does that mean? You're going to lower your IT and your storage costs because you're going to eliminate on-premises infrastructure, big data centers, you've got that overhead. You're going to get real-time access, and I think this is really key, to operational and inventory data. And you're going to get the flexibility to scale up and scale down as required by seasonality, which is a massive issue for retailers.
The cloud gives retail organizations the power to quickly adapt to these new dynamics and even accelerate their innovation cycles, so they can more quickly scale technology up or down, depending on new consumer behaviors and the usage of this tech, or even new store openings and closures. Long-term, the cloud helps reduce costs on IT infrastructure, software, and licensing fees. So with those business dynamics come the need for new cost efficiencies and the ability to prove ROI. But I think the most critical value of the cloud is that it gives the retailers and brands the power to roll out new experiences for the customer.
Customers really expect things like convenience, speed, reliability, and consistency from their interactions with retailers. And based on all the inherent benefits retailers get by going to the cloud, honestly, it's those same things. Retailers get the convenience of scalability, they get added agility in deployment, they get more reliability, and that reliability translates into more consistency and performance. So all of those things translate really directly to that customer experience in every application.
The cloud allows teams to access what they need from anywhere. And you can use a variety of different devices, such as your laptop, your computer, or even your phone for that matter. This allows customer service teams around the world to be able to assist customers much more quickly and effectively. The cloud also offers the ability to access that inventory in real time and leverage that data to improve your own inventory forecasting, for example, which ultimately is going to improve that customer experience because you are better able to manage and stock those shortages or those overages and manage that more effectively.
The biggest thing that the cloud delivers for retailers is it's offering a real-time view of inventory levels. And traditionally, that kind of tracking has been complex and in a lot of cases, highly manual. But retailers can now leverage a cloud-based infrastructure with analytic tools. Basically, they can build predictive inventory forecasting models based on real-time data. And that means that such factors like seasonality, promotions, trends, product substitutions, pricing strategies can all be automatically factored into those models. And that gives them to really enhance the accuracy of their inventory predictability and delivery times, right? So it's a huge leap forward from where they've been. What we're doing is we're making significant advances in terms of access to data and data management and data analysis. So retailers are already using cloud-based data analytic tools to gain insights into customer behaviors and preferences, and they're taking that and laying it up against inventory management and pricing models they've developed in the cloud, and then combining both to optimize profitability, overhead, and the customer experience. And as merchants get deeper into consolidating and analyzing customer data, they're going to get a better understanding of their customers' needs and preferences, which allows them to develop more effective marketing, support, distribution, and pricing strategies.
They can also be used to improve the customer data analytics, right? So learning about your customers' buying behaviors and leveraging that insight to improve marketing, to improve your own pricing, and to improve your merchandising strategies to attract new customers and improve the retention of those existing customers.
Simply put, access to this data, insight, and context improves decision-making, improves customer interactions, and creates a sense of empathy and understanding that we as consumers are hungry for. And it's that empathy that creates connection and ultimately customer loyalty.
The natural evolution here to cloud technologies from a retailer's perspective, really, it's all about AI and all the things that we're seeing in technology happening within the last 6 months around generative AI, but not even just limited to that, all of the AI capabilities. What we've learned is that all of these functions, they require a lot of power and they need that scalability. So realistically, retailers aren't going to implement these things by just trying to host everything themselves. They need the power and speed and reliability of the cloud to enable all those AI capabilities, whether it's improving the analytics in their customer data for CRM, for personalization, or whether it's adding these new generative AI capabilities into powering your customer reviews or call centers, or even in your product design and your internal operations.
As we start to look ahead, the use of cloud technologies really is going to become table stakes for retail. It's already important, but it's really a must-have for organizations to stay competitive. So take that and combine it with AI technologies, and then the use of things like edge computing that's going to ensure efficient data processing and that minimized latency. That's likely where the future is headed, right? Making it more simple for our customers. And as customer expectations of a personalized, relevant experience continue to rise, the use of those cloud technologies is going to continue to help organizations provide that good blended experience between in-store and online. Cloud technologies are going to allow those organizations to leverage those customer data insights to deliver on that personalized experience that customers these days have come to expect.
In our next episode, as part of the Data Driver series, we'll discover how data and analytics unveil valuable insights into customer purchase pattern, preferences, and segmentation. To learn more about the Retail Cloud Alliance, don't forget to click the link below and subscribe to our channel so you're the first in line to watch the recent episodes.